Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathForKids number 198.
MathForKids number 198. Today we're going to talk about powers. And this will be the third in our sequence of movies about powers. And what I want to talk about today is just how you reduce different numbers to the same power if you can sometimes. So let's look at this number. How about 3 times 9 times 27, and we want to write this as 3 to some power. Okay?
Yeah.
So do you understand what I'm trying to get at here?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have these different numbers, and we want to see if we can write them as 3 to some power. Okay, so go ahead. How would you approach this problem?
Well, I would say 3 equals 3 to the 1.
Okay, go ahead.
Times 9 is 3 squared. 27 is 3 cubed. So this is 3 to the 6th.
Okay, and how do you get the 6 here?
1 plus 2 plus 3 from the power adding thing we talked about.
Okay, so that's exactly right. So this is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And so when we count up the 3's that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3 to the 6th. The shortcut is that when you multiply powers of the same number, those powers add. Right?
Yeah.
So this is 3 to the 6th. Okay. So let's make up another one. And by the way, 3 to the 6th is 3 cubed squared. Right? What's 3 cubed?
3 cubed is 47.
27. And do you know what 27 squared is?
No.
729. Okay, but let's do one that's kind of like that. Let's do 4 times 8 squared as 2 to some power.
Well, 4 is 2 squared. 8 squared is 2 cubed squared. Well, 2 cubed squared is 2 to the 6th. So
Why don't you write out that step?
So it's 2 squared times 2 to the 6th.
2 squared times 2 to the 6th.
Which is 2 to the 8th.
2 to the 8th. Okay, good job. That's a great job. Okay, so now let's do one last one. Okay. How about 5 squared times 5 to the 4th, 5 squared times 125 to the 4th divided by 25. And I want to write this as a power of 5. Okay?
Well, we can say 25 is 5 squared, so
Back up just a little bit.
5 squared times 125 is 5 cubed to the 4th.
Okay, so I have 5 squared times 5 cubed to the 4th divided by 5 squared.
You can cancel the 5 squareds
Okay, why is that?
because you have one on top and one on the bottom.
Okay, one on top and one on the bottom. Okay, and I'm just left with what?
5 cubed to the 4th, which is 5 to the 12th.
5 to the 12th. Okay, that's awesome. Do you know what 5 to the 12th is?
No.
Off the top of your head?
No.
No. It's 125 to the 4th. I don't know what that is. Okay, that's good. So that just kind of shows some manipulating powers. That's good practice. All right, let's stop there. Good job, sweetie. Ready to go to camp?
Yeah.
A grabber sandwich.